In this video, I will dive into the State of Software Security 2024 report released by Veracode. Veracode is an application security company that provides SaaS application security that integrates application analysis into development pipelines. The report breaks down security debt, especially within the public sector. Let's unpack this chest of insights with some developer-friendly, no-frills advice. The State of Software Security in 2024. Insights for software developers from the Veracode study. Security debt is a nagging to-do list. Security debt is any flaw that sits unfixed for more than a year. Guess what? A whopping 71% of organizations have it. And the public sector isn't much better, clocking in at 68%. Over 40% of public sector entities are dealing with high severity flaws labeled as critical security debt. If you are letting old flaws fester, you are not alone, but it's time to act. Your apps are holding flaws. Here is a fun stat. Over 59% of public sector apps are carrying some form of security debt compared to just 42% across other industries. Shockingly, only 2.6% of these apps are flaw-free. Translation: the clean-slate dream might be just a dream. Third-party code isn't innocent. While 93% of security debt resides in first-party code, most critical flaws come from third-party dependencies. So that library you imported last month might have more baggage than your closet. Audit your dependencies before they morph into risk factories. All the apps love collecting flaws. The older and larger the app, the more likely it is to accumulate security debt. It's like your old car, still functional, but prone to issues. Focus on these dinosaurs when planning your remediation efforts. Fixing third-party flaws takes forever. The average remediation time for flaws in third-party code is 14 months, compared to 8 months for your own. Yes, it's twice as long. If you are waiting for upstream fixes, you might need to consider alternatives or workarounds. Programming language choices matter. If you are using Java or .NET, heads up, these two are heavyweights in the security debt arena. The language you pick can have ripple effects on your app's vulnerability profile. The critical few versus the many. Here is the game changer. Less than 1% of flaws are critical debt, but they pose the highest risks. Fixing this lever can make a massive difference. Ignore the low priority noise for now and aim for the jugular. Not all flaws are created equal. About 67% of flaws in public sector apps are neither critical nor debt. Yes, they still matter, but they are not your top priority. Save this for the rainy day or when you have tackled critical debt. A debt-free strategy that works. To stay on top of security debt, follow this hierarchy. Fix critical debt first, then handle critical flaws that haven't aged into debt yet. Finally, work through non-critical issues based on your risk tolerance. Time is of the essence. Want a smooth remediation process? Act fast. The longer a flaw lingers, the harder it gets to fix, and the greater the risk it balloons into critical debt. Wrapping up. So security debt is part of the job. It's not going anywhere, but it doesn't have to be your Achilles heel. The key is focus, prioritize what matters most, critical flaws, and don't let the never-ending list of minor stuff distract you from the big wins. Your code deserves better. So roll up your sleeves, review these dependencies, and make clean code more than just a slogan. Keep squashing bugs and building better software. That's it for today. See you next time. If you are excited about diving deeper into the world of modern software engineering from architecture to cloud and security, check out my video courses where I explore these concepts further and tackle real-world challenges. The link to the courses is in the video description below. See you next time.